Hey everyone! Quick hands-on style review of the Acer Predator Helios Neo 14 AI gaming laptop. So, the big idea here is simple. Acer is going for maximum gaming performance per dollar in a compact 14-inch design. Inside, you're looking at up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 chip and an RTX 4070 or even 5070, pushing surprisingly high wattage for this size. So yeah, the frame rates are strong. Thermals are actually impressive too. Even under load, it stays under control thanks to aggressive cooling, though you will hear the fans when you switch to turbo mode. Now the trade-offs. The RAM is soldered, so whatever you buy is what you're stuck with. And build-wise, it's a bit chunky and more plastic-heavy than premium rivals. But here's the takeaway. If you care about raw gaming performance and value, this thing hits hard. Just make sure you go for the 32GB version up front if you can.